Hey, how's it going everybody? Scott here. Quick tutorial today, very quick one. I've had a few people reach out to me asking how to remove the watermark in your Forza Horizon images. For me, obviously, I like to save my images to an external hard drive by the screenshot method, but a lot of people actually upload them to the website, so let me show you how it's done. First, what we want to do is make sure that our sampling is set to quality. It takes a little longer to process the photos, but your photos are a little bit larger in file and they're much better quality. So once we have this, you just snap the photo. I'll speed this up because it takes a while. It takes about 30 seconds or so. As you can see, the watermark is in the top left. You can actually change this using the right bumper. But we want to make sure that at least one of our photos has the watermark in the top left-hand corner, and why you'll find out at the end of the video. So name this whatever you want. For me, it's just gonna be bug1. Give it a second to save, and then we'll be sharing it down at the bottom to Forza's website. Give this a second. And that's it. Right, now what we need to do is we need to take a second image. Don't move anything, just take another image. Give it a, I'll speed this up again. And this time we're going to change the watermark position to anywhere but the top left hand corner. So for me here at bottom left hand corner. I'll speed this up again. We'll just same thing, share it to the website. Right, now we need to make our way over to Forza's website. So Forza Motorsport, just like that. Perfect. And first link. So we need to sign in. This is using your Xbox Live credentials, whatever they are. So, and then we want to make our way over to community and gallery, and this is where your photos that you've uploaded to Forza's website actually appear. So here you can see bug1 and bug2. So you click any image and then you right click save as. Now I've already got these saved, so I'm going to jump cut to Lightroom and show you quickly how to bring them into Photoshop. So for me, I'm going to do my quick edits. And it is important if you're editing in Lightroom to copy your develop settings to each photo so they're consistent. So we'll copy, click on the next one, right click and develop, and then paste just like that. Select both, ensure that they're both selected, then right click and edit in and open in layers in Photoshop. Now this is important because they open as layers on top of each other. So give this a second and you'll see on the right hand side, and the way it's done it is the image with the watermark in the top left hand corner is our top layer, and that's what we want. If it's the other way around, just drag it underneath or drag it on top, it should be fine. So what we want to do is get our eraser tool and simply just erase out Forza Horizon 4, just like that. Couldn't be any simpler. Now obviously if you do not have Photoshop, we can do this in Paint, and again, back in the beginning of the video, I said to make sure that your watermark was in the top left-hand corner. Oh, this is why. So if we open, we want to open the second image with the watermark in the bottom left-hand corner, just like that. And we'll take our lasso tool, the square, and just drag up anywhere from the top left-hand corner. We're going to copy this. Then what we want to do is open the first picture, and then just simply paste. This will auto-align to the top left-hand corner. And guys, it's as simple as that. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I really hope this video helped. Catch you in the next one, guys. Cheers.